In today's video, we're gonna see how to automate lead capture from forms to your CRM for your SaaS business. So as you know, forwarding lead from replying or entering their info in your CRM manually will cause you to lose deal sooner or later. So here what happened. A potential client fill out a form, it lands in your email or Google Sheet, nobody checks in time, 2 hours later they book with your competitor. Does that sound familiar? Doesn't have to be that way. What if every form submission instantly created a lead in your CRM? The lead was enriched with company data, so the revenue, their size, their location. The right sales rep receive a notif in Slack, and an email or SMS went out within seconds. You no longer relying on checking later. You're building trust from the first click. So let's see what an automation can look like in this situation. Step 1. We have the form submission. That works with Typeform, Webflow, Tally, Airtable, or Google Form. Step 2. This, Step 2. We push the information in the CRM. So we send all the data to HubSpot, Pipedrive, Close, or Notion. We include tags like lead source, website, form in this instance, but if you have different source that if you have different lead source, you can list them out, so you keep track and you can see where which so you can see what source is the best for you. Step 3. We lead Step 3. It's optional, but we can enrich the lead. So we can use APIs like Clearbit, Apollo to add company size, industry, and location. Step 4. We have the Step 4. Internal notification. We send a Slack message to or email to the sales team. Step 5, we have an autoresponder for the lead. So we send an email or SMS with a message like, hey, name, got your request, you can choose a slot that best suits you. Hey, lead name. Hey, name, got your request, you can choose a slot that best suits you here. And you send a Calendly link. So the result is what? We have speed. First to respond often wins the leads. We have consistency, so no manual step equal no. Uh, we have consistency, so no manual steps equal. We have consistency. No manual steps equals no human error, and we have data. Every lead is logged, enriched, and tracked. So let's look at an example that I made in make.com. So here we start with a type form. So we watch the response. So every time we have a new lead, we can keep track and we can that will trigger the whole workflow. So here what we have is a node called tool, and we are using a text aggregator. So basically what we are going to do is we're gonna format all the information. So here if we want for example the name, the first name, last name, email, industry, LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile, we're gonna take all that data, we're gonna compress that we're gonna format that in a clean way. Then we're gonna send all the data here in Airtable to keep track of the lead. Then what we can do is, if we want to enrich the lead, it's optional, but we can make a HTTP request, so we can get all the information here and we can do a bunch of things later on. Then what we want to do is to send a message in Slack for our sales rep to notify them that we have a new lead so they can take the next step. And finally, we can have in this instance an email sent to the lead with a Calendly link so they can book a call themselves. So that's it for the automation of the day. I'll see you in the next one.